Hi guys, welcome back to this MBA podcast. I have Tejas with me, student of Welingkar Institute of Management, second year. Got placed directly sales manager. That is a surprise thing for me. And got a package of 22 lakhs. Boss सीधा manager level पे चले गए, वो भी 22 लाख की package. पहले तो B-School में MT वगैरह hire करते, आपको सीधा manager ले लिया. Would love to know your profile. Do give a brief about your profile.
I'm a electronics and telecommunication engineer. After that, I worked for 2 years at a leading advertising technology firm as an associate campaign management. So basically the role was like business operations, and the entire business over there ran around machine learning models with some with majority of the applications of marketing technology as a whole, under which advertising technology comes. So I thought that it would be better to understand more about the tech, and that's the reason I thought research and business analytics as a course at V-School was something that I looked at, found the entire subjects that were there over here to be really helpful. And obviously I'd heard about Welingkar earlier, being from Mumbai itself, which would help me. So that's
my follow-up question will be, RBA का ना बहुत ज़्यादा buzz है, you know, Welingkar में RBA बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रहा है. Even बाहर भी बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि सर RBA का एक अलग level पे चलता है. I am curious to know कि RBA में ऐसी क्या चीजें हो रही है, which is helping engineers, non-engineers, both the sort of students to do really well. So can you give us a little idea about it?
So basically, how research and business analytics is different from the normal PG or the flagship course would be, we have been taught a lot of data crunching, data number, and since data is the new oil is what everybody keeps on saying, we do have a lot of subjects. So basically what RBA entirely teaches you is right from your prescriptive analytics to your predictive analytics to your descriptive analytics. And we have a lot of tools which we have been given hands-on training, which are your SQL, Python, then Power BI, Excel, which is something which is regularly used in the current organization.
Absolutely.
And since marketing is a specialization that I have taken, so along with marketing, these type of tools would be helping me better to find out certain numbers to lead to a decision which are backed by numbers rather than just having a intuitive based decision making.
Python and SQL is the need of the hour, no doubt about that. So you being an engineer, you opted for sales and marketing.
Correct.
Can you explain a little bit about it?
Yeah. So during my engineering time, like I would like to start from my 12th journey only. I gave during our time JEE was the only thing that was there, so everybody was running after that integrated kind of a thing. So I was also one amongst the same person. So I landed up into engineering. I started with electronics and telecommunication. By second year, I think I understood that possibly getting into a hard-coded or a coding type of a stream is not something that, it's not basically my cup of tea. So that is when I thought, why not look at other options? And me, during my school days also, I've been like a state level volleyball player.
Wow.
So that also had a more of like gatherness and, you know, talking to people, getting everybody together and starting working. So that kind of was another line that I thought of. And engineering ke time pe, I was into the marketing teams and all. So I thought maybe marketing was something. And then obviously the advertising technology firm that I told you about got me more interested into marketing and advertising as an entire domain altogether. And that is how I decided this particular field was something that I'm looking forward to.
Fantastic. And you got into Welingkar by CAT, ZAT, CMAT, which exam?
I got through CMAT.
Okay.
Yeah.
And CMAT, I'm not supposed to say what's his percentile on the camera, I would say. But he is neither a 99 nor a 95 percentile, and he's made into 22 lakhs ka package. Do you believe that percentile has anything to do with your MBA placement? Because बच्चों को लगता है कि यार अच्छा percentile नहीं आया तो अच्छा interview भी नहीं होगा, और placement भी नहीं मिलेगा.
True.
Can you try to break this myth?
So all I would like to say is, if you're just ensure like your 10th, 12th and graduation scores are above 60%.
हाँ, वो तो होता है बहुत सारे बच्चों.
Maximum कुछ लोगों का नहीं भी होता है तो so yeah,
वो भी अलग
दुख है बहुत सारे लोगों का. But I don't think it entirely depends on your percentile and your marks altogether. I feel it's your personality and how you carve yourself overall as a person rather than just being a bookworm. But definitely academics is something that will help you become a person who has some knowledge, but it obviously depends on your overall personality skills as well.
So basically, even if you do not get really good percentile, a brand like Welingkar can actually help you to get into your dream, sort of a profile and package. Because I have visited this, like today I'm here itself, and I've met a lot of kids and they have been doing fantastically good. So the numbers that they're telling me are actually surprising. So I think that's something really good. Tejas, one more thing I would like to ask is, after having 2 years of work ex,
Yeah.
right, when you thought of joining Welingkar, पहले तो I would really want to have a clarity that why Welingkar. You could have taken one more year का gap and then were prepared again.
True.
So tell me a couple of bullet points जो
Yes.
help किया आपको decide करने के लिए कि मुझे Welingkar में जाना है.
Okay.
And when you come here, right, were you really thinking कि मेरे को यार 20 लाख के ऊपर पैकेज मिलेगा?
I'll just drive to the entire journey. So when I got done with my work experience, I was preparing. The ideal first 2 years, when I gave CAT and all the other exams, I was giving it at a time when advertisers have the peak number of budget which needs to be spent by the end of the year, and that is when CAT exams and all the other relevant competitive exams line up. So I was in a stage wherein कि काम करूँ या पढ़ाई करूँ, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा issue होता था. So that is when I thought कि नहीं, it is my right time that I take what I have in my hand rather than waiting for a year, because as they say, like, you can wait for your time, but what if it doesn't come? And Welingkar के बारे में I had heard about it earlier. Obviously, being from Mumbai, I've heard, and I have a lot of relatives who've been an alumni over here, my friends, my family. So I do know they are great leaders right now. Eventually, getting an MBA was the main goal, the main target, and research and business analytics was something that I was inclined towards, and that is what I got. So I was like, let's take the first step and then go ahead. And also one more thing, ki if I keep waiting for another chance, one better year, so obviously age is also something that keeps going. So and that is also one of the reasons because of which I think I thought कि 2 बार दिया है, अभी वापस
age वाला point दिल से आया, by the way. I hope my videos were helpful during your journey.
Yes, definitely. I mean, I saw a lot of planning videos because I'm not one of those who's going to like who sat through like 7 to 8 hours daily of dedicated attention. I was one of those who used to be like 3 to 4 hours कर ले, then day to day would be काफी है. So last minute preparations and all, your videos were really helpful कि ये कर सकते हैं, ऐसे strategies हो सकते हैं. So they were really helpful to me and to a lot of my other friends as well.
Thanks, yeah, means a lot. Thank you so very much, Tejas.
Thank you.
Means a lot. God bless you, यार. आगे और आप grow करो अच्छे से.
Sure.
And guys, do hit like for such a hardworking guy, and do share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye bye. Bye, Tejas.
Thank you.